Hello everybody, my name is Morgan Meggs. I'm with the technology department here at Lexus of Jacksonville, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the blind spot monitoring system in this 2020 RX 350L. Now all equipped models with this blind spot monitoring system, they all work in a very similar way as you'll see in today's video. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it.
Alright, let's get started. I'll have you go ahead and get into your vehicle settings menu in that MID screen. It's the little gear up at the top, and scroll into BSM, which is a blind spot monitor. You'll notice we have options to toggle on and off, and I recommend it on. You'll see here in the gauge cluster, that green light means that it is on. And in the side view mirror, you'll also get an indicator by that orange solid colored light. So from there, we've also got the option to brighten or dim that light. You'll see in the side view mirror what that looks like. And we've also got the sensitivity to that blind spot monitoring system. So I got a couple views here of somebody in my blind spot. You'll notice that it's solid orange, whereas if I have my turn signal on with somebody in the blind spot, it'll blink to notify me somebody's there.
Oh hey there, you got any questions, comments, or concerns? Let us know.